Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on FaucetPay and also how you can make money using FaucetPay. Okay, so if you're coming to this channel for the first time, my name is Joachim. So what I do on this channel is that I show you different ways which you can earn money online, and in return, all I ask from you is to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the post notification bell so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like this on this channel. So to create an account on FaucetPay, once you click the link on the description below this video, you would come over to this page. The next thing you want to do is to click on sign up. So once you're on this page, you need to input your username, your email address, and confirm that same email address. Also put in a password, a unique password that you know that you can always remember. Also confirm that password. So right now I'm going to input a unique username. One thing about this platform is that once you put in a username that has been taken by someone that registered before you, you will find it hard to get registered on this platform. So now let me go ahead to input my username and also other details. Then you confirm your password. Then you check this. Then you confirm I am not a robot. Let's see if my username will be accepted. As you can see, they said your username you entered is already taken. So what we need to do is to add a number or make it unique. So this comes first, this and this. Let's check this out. Okay, taken. So what we need to do is to, let me put this. Let's check this out. So that is why I said you need to be mindful of the username you're picking. Okay, so let's confirm this. So right now you see we've successfully created an account. So the next thing you need to do is to confirm your account. To confirm your account, an email will be sent to you. So you have to go over to your email box and check for the mail to confirm your account. So now let me go over to my email to confirm this account I just created. Right now you can see the email sent to us by FaucetPay. So what you need to do is to click on the link for activation. Your account has been activated. So right now we've successfully created an account. So we are going to log in with that same email address we created and also the password. Please put in the password you will be able to remember. Then we'll log in. A 6-digit code will be sent to your email address. So what you need to do is to go over to your email address and copy those 6-digit code and input it in this box over here to verify your account. So right now we've gotten the code. So now we have to verify our account. As you can see right now, our account has been verified and we've successfully logged in. So right now you can use this wallet to send and receive funds. Now the most important part I want you to pay attention is how you can earn using your account on FaucetPay. Over here, the right hand corner of this account, you can see the 3 lines over here. Once you click on it, you would see earn. So once you click on earn, you can see that you can make money by taking surveys on this platform. You can also get paid by clicks. So once you click on surveys, right now, this is what they said. Hold on. In order to use this offer word, you must receive payments from at least 7 different faucets this month. Your account should also be 1 week old and must have collected at least 1 cent from Faucet. We apologize for this, but it is important for us to keep these strict guidelines to combat offer wall fraud. Okay, so now your account must be at least 1 week old, and also you must have done transactions of about 7 different transactions on this account. Now to earn in another way, you also come over to paid clicks. This is it again. Attention, exercise your due diligence before sending your money to anyone. Beware of Ponzi scheme and don't invest in any website which promises to multiply your money or give you certain percentage profits daily. Okay, so when you come over here, you can see that you can view this in 15 seconds and you'll be earning this amount of points or USD. Once you view this, you'll be getting this. Once you view this, you'll be getting this. So this is how you can earn on this FaucetPay, just by doing surveys and getting paid to clicks. Also, you can take offer words on this platform and also get rewards on this platform. So right now, I'm going to go over to my dashboard. You can see right now that you have Bitcoin wallet, you have Ethereum wallet, you have Dogecoin wallet, you have Litecoin wallet. You also have other wallets that you can actually use to receive funds on this app. And also you can use this at any point in time to send and receive funds all over the world. One thing about this app is that it receives instant cryptocurrency payment from thousands of websites and withdraw to your personal wallet for a very low fee. If you actually find this video helpful, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification bell so YouTube will notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched on this channel. See you on my next video.